In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can publish a GDPR message on your Google AdSense account so that your visitors from EEA and the UK country can see your GDPR message and let them be consent with your privacy policy on your page so that you can publish Google AdSense advertisement to those visitors from those countries. So they want you to publish a GDPR message, and if you go to this website, I have created a lot of articles on Google AdSense and how you can monetize the website with Google AdSense. So GDPR message. So my own presently is on now, but I'm going to click this button, GDPR message. It has been showing to many people. 691 people has been shown to. So what I would say is click here, and this is it. GDPR message is a message that you show to people that are from the UA and UK country. So what I'm going to basically do now is I'll go to, so after logging into my AdSense account, I'll click get started with GDPR. So, and this is the General Data Protection Regulation, is the meaning of GDPR. So just a few steps to create a GDPR message, and this is it. First of all, you must have a privacy policy page on your website. The website must have logo, and you must have an approved Google AdSense account. So what I'm going to basically do is I'll click get started. So after I have clicked get started, you are going to click create message here. Since our website needs privacy policy page, I have created one already. So, and this is the title of the GDPR message. I will click write GDPR message. So this is the title, and this is the English language was being automatically chosen as English, and this is the consent, and here is the logo of the website. Here is the logo. So I'm going to click here manage options, and these are the options that you can manage data. You can click this pencil icon button here and change it. You can replace this with manage data. You can choose how your personal data is used. Vendor wants your permission to do the following. So this is how your GDP messages will be shown. This is the add partner, cookies duration 90 days, and Google was automatically created this one for you, and this is the accept all confirm choices. So people that are visiting your website must see it to make sure that they are consistent with your values on your website. So this is the revocation link. You can change this style here. This is the style in here. You can change it to match the color on your website. This is the global style. This is the language. You can choose from English to any language you like French, German, Greek, etc. Many languages are here for it, but I'm going to choose English. And this is the consent. Do not consent, close, do not consent, all of them. And this is the style. So after that one, I will go to consent here, and this is the logo. Website logo is on, and the alignment of the logo should be center. Okay. What I'll do is I'll click this logo icon here. This is it. Site name, first numbers, ask for your consent to use your personal data to personalize advertising and content. So this is the learn more button where they are going to learn more. This is the manage options. To consent here, you can change your consent to I agree, manage GDPR. So you can change all these things to the one of your the one that you like. So after you have done everything, so click here, go to your website, my own website here, and download the logo. I download the logo. Then after downloading the logo, you come here and place the logo right here. So this is the button. You can change the button to the italic, bold, everything here. So after you have done that, you click publish. I have gotten one GDPR message published on my Google AdSense account recently, hence I won't publish this one again. So final thing to do here right now is I'll click save draft. So this is how to create a GDPR message on your Google AdSense account. If you know that this video has helped you, please subscribe to our channel for more updates about digital marketing in the future. My name is still Razak Yahya.